Wanna know how to change your mail or your email address in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Wish.com application. And now once you've done that here, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. Just simply hover on it or select it. Now, once you've done that here, you should be seeing view profile right here. Just simply select view profile and then select edit profile. That should be right beside there. Now make sure you are under account settings as well and scroll down a little bit until you see email right here. It should be on top and your current email should be even up. So if you want to change it, you can just simply type in an related email and then select update right here. And once you select update email, verification is required. So first things first, what is done is your verification code is given to your old email, and once that is done, another verification email is again sent to your new email, and after that is done, your email should be updated. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.